Hi, students, and welcome to week 5 in your online lifespan growth and development course. This week we are covering the physical and cognitive development in early childhood. So, moving on in our age range. So, let's take a look at this week's module. So, as always, you have your PowerPoint slides. You are going to have a piece of your project that you're working on. So, we don't have one big project due at the end of the semester. I sprinkle it throughout. So the journals that you've been working on are part of your lifespan project. This Piaget's will have different assignments along the way that by the time final exams roll around, you already have your project completed and done, and you don't have to worry about it. So this Piaget's conservation of liquids is part of that, and I'll come back and talk about it at the end. For Connect assignments, you have a chapter 5 over Piaget's pre-operational stage, which will help you with this writing assignment, and then quiz number 5. So those two assignments in Connect, let's look at this assignment here. And so this assignment is also going to address a student learning outcome number 4. All that you're going to do is to really essentially you're replicating a classic experiment that Piaget did. So hopefully you have access, and it can be remote, so you can use Zoom, a neighbor's kid, your own kid, a family member, a friend's child. You use all of your resources there, but what you ultimately want to accomplish is finding a child somewhere between 2 and 7. That is the age range that Piaget defines as pre-operational stage. So that's what makes sense. So sometimes students will ask, what about if I use, an 18-month-old or a 10-year-old? It really falls outside of the realm of pre-operational stage. So if you really are in a bind with finding a child, just reach out to me, okay? That sounds so bad. I just want you to replicate this experiment with them. It's not invasive, it's not tricky, it's very, very quick. So what you're going to do is, and I have a video example here for you, is you are going to basically be pouring water and having the child look at that. That's all. And then asking them some questions. So what I want is the child's age, exactly what you say to the child, and then what the child responds back to. And then question number 4, what you're, elaborating on here is the child in the stage of pre-operational thought, and why did you come to that conclusion? Okay, so watch the video because it's going to demonstrate for you how to pour this water and what you're doing and kind of how it plays out. Don't worry about format. Don't worry about length. I really am just focused on these 4 questions here. And if you want to be creative, so you can type it up, certainly. If you want to be creative, and you are tired of typing, if it's not your own child, if it's somebody else's child, with the parent's permission, you can video this. And so as long as all 4 questions are included in the video, or maybe you want to do 1, 2, 3 video, and then you'll type up number 4, that's completely fine. But you can submit this completely 100% through video and not type a single thing up if that is your jam. You can do it in PowerPoint and share pictures, of course, with permission from the parent, or you can just type it up, whatever fits your fancy. I am very happy to encourage that creativity and other ways of turning work in besides always just typing it up. And this is a perfect assignment to do that on, if you so desire. There's no bonus points or points off if you type it, okay? So just let me know if you have any questions whatsoever, and have fun. This will be really fun. I enjoy grading this, especially for those that submit videos, because those kids are so cute and say the funniest things in this, and it almost feels like, right, you're going to have a video to submit America's Funniest Home Videos, just because kids are so amazing and fun. But hopefully this helps you at the end of the day understand Piaget's theory a little bit better and have an idea of what he was doing to arrive at his theory through his classical experiments. If you have any questions, please reach out. Have a great week, everyone.